How to replace carbs with carbs and get slim. Here's the thing, for most people they think about carbohydrates as being bread, rice, pasta, spaghetti, potatoes, that type of thing. Those are the typical carbohydrates that spring to mind. However, you can replace those carbohydrates, which are nutritionally kind of empty really, but high in calories. You can replace them with other carbs, vegetables, for example. Vegetables are very high in nutrition, very low in calorie content. So if you switch out a certain percentage of your starchy carbs for more vegetables, salads, and possibly just the one piece of fruit a day, what you'll find is your nutritional value in terms of what you're eating goes up through the roof. Therefore your energy goes up through the roof and your calorie intake goes down, and as a consequence of that you'll find yourself feeling naturally satiated. You'll find that you have got more energy, and you'll find that you'll naturally drop the weight. So that's a very simple way of switching out one set of carbohydrates for another set of carbohydrates. Make that change and watch the weight just drop off, watch your energy levels boost, and just realize how much more satiated you feel for much longer. As ever, if you have any questions at all you'd like me to do a short video on, feel free just to sort of reach out, let me know, and I'll happily put together a video. If I have the experience, the knowledge, and the proven results to back it up with, I'll happily do a video like this. Until then, take care and bye for now.